How's it going?
Good.
Is your mom or dad home?
No.
Were you the one that left the review?
Yeah.
So we just seen that. We're just coming to let you know that we were actually going to cut that and come talk to you. It's just the name of the game, man.
Well, I mean, I kind of
for it,
figured that being as professional as you guys seemed, you would be able to drop that branch in that space there without hitting that tree.
yeah. Sometimes that's
It's either
the
that
case.
or the fence.
Yeah, sometimes it's
So then ask who I assumed hired you, which would be next door, if the fence can be either taken out or come talk to us first to see, to like say, hey, we think that maybe this tree here in your yard might get hit when we drop this branch.
so if you want us to talk to you first, why didn't you come talk to us first before leaving a review? Just saying.
Because I didn't even see it until I heard it happen.
Yeah.
And then I come down here, I look out the window, I see that there's damage to the tree in my yard.
I mean, a little branch that we're
Yeah,
going to take.
that
I get your
It's a young
frustration.
tree.
No, I
It's a young tree.
Yeah, I get your frustration. That's why we're coming to
That's
talk to you. though.
nowhere near 22%. 22% is the cap. I get it. I get why you're
Yeah,
pissed.
we get why you're mad. We're just coming to get on the same
Like,
page as you. You could have
I'm
talked to
pissed
us,
because
you know?
my dad's fucking pissed too. And
Is there something we could do to resolve it?
I
Yeah, we just want to get on the same